Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Discord overlay on mobile. It will be really simple and easy. For this, first of all, you have to open the Discord application in your mobile and find the home screen menu. Now tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner here and then simply tap on this gear icon in the top right corner. Now when you are here, you have to simply scroll down and tap on this voice option here, and in voice option, if you scroll down a bit, you will see this option here, enable mobile voice overlay. So you have to tap on this and this will redirect you here, and then you have to toggle this on beside this Discord. Go back, and as you can see, now it's on. Enable mobile voice overlay toggle is on. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to enable Discord overlay on mobile. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.